It's a huge bike community dito sa Canmore, sa Pan. So makikita mo lahat ng sasakyan, if not may hitch for carrier. It's a bike rack. So marami ring e-bike. So pedal assist kasi as you can see, it's a Rocky Mountain area. So medyo mahirap challenging yung mga terrain dito. So kaya ideally pedal assist yung mga makikita natin yung MTB. We'll try to find a rentals spot dito, and kahit for 1 hour siguro may ikot-ikot lang natin and have an experience. Let's go!
Motor, but they are not really good at bikes, so their gear changing is not smooth as
okay.
And here, this is the power button. You're just gonna press it, turn it on. See, 100% battery.
And then up and down lang.
And up and down to change the speed. Let's say here, you will see Eco Plus, Eco, High, Standard, and then High Speed.
All right. So off we go.
Let's go.
All right.
Okay.
So what time is it? So for sorry, this is my local 2:36.
I give you 20 minutes extra. Just start as 3, so come back before 5.
All right, cool. Let's go. All right, guys. So Vet and I will go for a ride. So we rented the bikes. So MTB na pedal assist electric. So we'll just go for a quick spin and then join us. Let's go. So ang lamig mag-bike dito sa maaraw, pero akala nyo lang mainit, although tanghali na guys. So as you can see, nasa gilid kami ng mga Rocky Mountains. Okay, so malamig. So now naiintindihan ko na kung bakit sa mga European countries kapag nagbabike sila ng medyo winter ay balot na balot. So all good, di kami naka-cycling outfit pero okay lang, short ride lang naman. So join us, let's go! Yan si Mami Yvette sa harap. So we're riding a, I don't know anong brand ng bike na to, pero Yamaha yung motor niya, yung electric. So we're heading to Pan. So yun yung main highway. So sa gilid lang kami. Woohoo! Alamig! Yung side view ko guys. So yeah, look at the Rocky Mountains and Pan. Paano pa kayo experience? So ang ganda ng pavement guys, kung nakikita nyo. So also maraming nagbabike actually. So let's see kung mga kailang kilometers kami today. Afternoon! Yeah guys, tayo nagbabike. So mountain bike din sila, pero marami rin mga road bike actually. Tapos na sleeper dito sa masusubukan natin is paahon. Let's go! Effortless magpedal. Sarap. Sana may ganito sa road bike. What a spectacular view. Motor brake. Ako dyan para kita yung view natin. Right, so naka 6 kilometers na kami. ganda, di ba? Panalo. Let's go. Right, heading back. So naka 10 na kami. Balik ulit for another 10 kilometers. Okay guys, so ito yung power ng pedal assist. So effortless kapag tinataas mo yung power, and then mas na-feel niya na pinipedal mo. Wala na tayong speedometer to measure, pero mabilis ng takbo namin actually. Highway guys, as you can see. So although dedicated tong bike path natin, so super safe naman siguro to. Kay Mami Bet to. So although nabitin siya kanina sa paakon dahil nagkamali lang siya ng gear, pero mukhang na-enjoy na lang gusto yung pedal assist. So actually yung nakikita mo yung lifestyle ng mga tao dito, active lifestyle nila. So talagang yung weekend is dedicated for traveling, going out, camping, kayak. So they bring their RVs and then actually go to yung mga lake na pinakita natin. Sorry na putol yung kwento ko. Napa-downhill ng konti. So yan. So yun, nakita nyo. So may mga boat sila na kinicarry. Karamihan ng kotse rito actually puro mga naka-carry on rack ng mga kanilang outdoor equipment. So talagang active lifestyle. Actually approaching yung, I don't know, nung border to. So may nakita nyo, may thank you sign na Mercy. So medyo French din yung ano, nandito sa Alberta, Calgary. So more riders. Nakikita nyo. Hello. So zigzag yung path. So may sign. Ayun, may tayong gravel rider na lolo. Right. So ahon na ahead. Yan, dito na naman masusubukan yung ating pedal assist. Again, effortless guys. Ang sarap. So hindi mo ramdam na paahon. So para lang flats, ginagawang flats. So dive pababa. Let's go. By the way, kung nakikita nyo yung may bubong na green na yon, yun, doon yung aming Airbnb. So just outside ng back community, exactly facing yung ano, yung ating mga mountains, Rocky Mountains. So good. So that's a sign na medyo malapit na kami pabalik doon sa bike rental shop. Pero okay lang. Naka-rent to ng 2 hours. You don't need 2 hours. So talagang for experience lang. By the way, sorry guys ko. Nakikita nyo super dry ng lips ko. So hindi tayo nakapagdala ng lip balm dito. So I can imagine pag uwi natin ito, putok yung labi natin. Let's go. So tayo naman ang mauna, nandun si Mami sa likod. Alright, so ito yung bike path. So never ending to guys. So hanggang makarating yata ng ano to, Calgary Airport. So ganyan kahaba to. So perfect sa mga talaga nagte-train. So even road bikes, ang dami natin nakita dito. Tsura ng bike. So nothing fancy. May battery pack dito. I don't know kung ilang speed to, hindi rin naman natin masyado nagagamit. So yeah, so papasok na tayo sa interchange. Yan, so which means malapit na tayo guys. Yan yung landmark natin papunta sa yan yung ano. So puntaan lang natin yung mga kasama namin dito sa McDo. So diyan sila nag-aantay. So let's go. Stay here. Parang wala yung kotse nila, ma. Baka nasa Wendy's sila. Nakita nyo guys kung gaano kaganda yung mga bike dito, Santa Cruz. Alright, sige, hindi, feeling ko putol hanggang Wendy's eh. Let's go!
After using this, I don't like to ride the road bike anymore.
She enjoyed the e-bike pedal assist.
Where do they usually go when they borrow?
Like for this one, most people are going to Bath from Legacy Trail, which is exactly the
We can
trail
go
you would
inside.
take it.
We can go inside for
Yes.
free.
Yes,
Just using the bike.
because normally for vehicle going
But does the
for the day.
battery can take us there, the full charge?
Yeah, so full charge can take you around, for your two weight can take you like at least 80 kilometers.
Wow, wow.
Wow.
So
80
80
kilometers,
is
That-
already
that
quite
battery.
long.
Very
Yes.
good.
Alright, so you open every day or?
Yeah, we open 7 days a week.
Alright.
7 days a week is
As early as what time?
8 in the morning.
8 in the morning. Okay. But good.
Yeah,
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
So it was a good experience. It's really nice to ride along
the
the Rocky
Buffalo,
Mountains, right? So
On both sides, yeah.
good. So if you guys are in Canmore, go look for Randall Bike Rental. Alright, Randall Mountain Lodge. So look for this guy.
Thank you.
Alright, bye.
Have a great day.
Yes.
Alright, thanks for the ride, man.
Thank you.
Thank you. What's up guys? Dito tayo sa may trek sa Toronto, Ontario. So we'll check it out. Anong laman? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! Nothing in particular. We go around?
Oh yeah.
Doesn't look like, but yeah. Wow. Gravel bikes. Itong ganda oh. Mahal itong brand na to. So ito yung mga gravel bikes. Let's look for the road bike. Road bike. Right. 3-owned Madone, Argon. So they have Argon. Gen 4. So they have Rafa jersey. Meron din mga Trek jerseys. Right, so ito yung mga carbon gravel bikes nila guys. Yeah, they are slightly discounted, 2,500. So SL5, this one is 2.5 with the GRX. Ganda. Also this one, saddles, accessories, pumps. Mas mura dito guys, nakaka-tempt. Pero thanks a lot. Trek Madone, everything kompleto tong Trek store.